Hi, I'm Josh Cropsey, the founder and CEO of ESLConnexus, and I want to personally welcome you to a global learning community where language connects us all. For over 17 years, I've dedicated my life to helping students master English, from beginners just starting out to professionals looking to refine their communication skills. I've taught more than 6,200 hours of English to K through 12 students in fun, interactive environments using science, history, museum tours, and even the latest world news to bring language learners to life. We might even have some puppets in the lessons, so we have a great time together. But I also specialize in adult education. With over 23,000 hours of experience, I help adults build confidence in English and excel in professional settings. That includes everything from business English to soft skills like writing resumes, public speaking, presentations, and preparing for high stakes interviews. My students come from over 30 countries from around the world, each with their own goals, stories, and dreams. I've worked with VIP students from all walks of life: doctors, nurses, engineers, judges, and university professors, just to name a few. It's been an honor to guide so many incredible people in their English learning journeys. At ESLConnexus, we believe learning should be engaging, personalized, and empowering. Whether you're a parent seeking enriching lessons for your child or a professional aiming to take your career to the next level, we're here to help you connect through language. Let's make English your superpower. Join me and let's get started.